In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your Google Calendar settings and choose a specific calendar. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Google Calendar. Make sure the calendar page fully loads so you can clearly see the main layout, including the top navigation area and the menu options on the screen. If you use multiple Google accounts, it's also a good idea to confirm that you're signed into the correct one before making any changes. That way, you'll be adjusting the right calendar settings from the start. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look toward the upper right area of the page for the gear icon. This is the shortcut to your settings and display options. Click the gear icon and a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where Google Calendar organizes all of your configuration options in one place. After the settings page opens, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. This panel contains several categories, including general calendar options and settings tied to individual calendars. Find the section labeled Settings for My Calendars. Under this section, you'll see a list of the calendars connected to your account. These might include your main personal calendar, as well as any additional calendars you've created or subscribed to. Click the calendar you want to work with from that list. Selecting it will open that calendar's specific settings, where you can review and manage options related to that calendar only. This is especially useful if you have more than one calendar and want to make sure you're editing the correct one instead of changing account-wide settings by mistake. As a helpful tip, take a moment to read the calendar names carefully before selecting one, particularly if several of them are similar. This can save time and help avoid confusion later. If the left menu feels crowded, scroll slowly so you don't miss the correct section. And that's it. You've opened Google Calendar in Chrome, gone into the Settings menu, and selected a calendar from the Settings for My Calendar section. From here, you're in the right place to continue managing that calendar's options as needed.